Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to see uninstall apps data on Android. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Play Store. So I'm going to click on here to open my Play Store. Then having opened up your Play Store, next thing you can do is to click on your icon right here, your profile icon. Then the next thing you can do is to go to Manage Apps and Device. Then the next thing you can do is to go to Manage. The next thing you can do is to click on Install right here. And the next thing you can do is to click on Not Installed. So you have everything right here. So these are all apps that is not installed on your Android phone. If you want to get rid of them, just select any one of them and then uninstall or permanently delete them. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to see uninstall apps data on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.